am Geetika from class 8. Today we are here to discuss about the artificial intelligence. I am T. Ramya from 8th class.
I am Jay Smita from 8th class.
I am Jay Sankitana from 8th class.
I am Yanrutvika from 8th class.
I am K. Silchandana from 8th class.
I am T. Rashmita from 8th class.
Excuse me everyone, please listen for a moment. I just got an interesting idea about AI. Imagine waking up one morning and seeing a robot teaching in your classroom, writing stories, solving problems, and even answering questions faster than humans.
Yeah, that sounds exciting, but also a little scary.
Yes, many people today believe that artificial intelligence will soon replace humans in many jobs.
But is it really the truth, or are we misunderstanding the role of technology? Instead of blaming AI, maybe we should ask a better question.
Yes, the question is not will AI replace humans? The real question is what makes humans irreplaceable?
History teaches an important lesson. Every generation has faced technological change.
When calculators were invented, people feared students would stop thinking.
Latest computers arrived and many thoughts of the human jobs would disappear.
Then the internet changed the entire world. And now we are witnessing the rise of artificial intelligence.
But despite all the changes, humans never become useless. Instead, we adapted and evolved.
There is no doubt that AI is powerful.
It can write essays, generate ideas, solve complex calculations, and analyze data quickly.
But there are some things AI cannot fully replace.
Our creativity,
Our emotions and empathy, our values and moral decisions.
AI can give answers.
But not give meaning to life.
AI processes information,
but it cannot build character. AI can follow instructions,
but it cannot dream about a better future.
So the next question should not be,
Will artificial intelligence take my job?
The real question is,
what can I do that AI can't? Because the future will not belong to people who compete with AI.
it will belong to those who learn to work with it.
AI can give information in seconds.
But wisdom comes from human experience.
AI can analyze problems,
But humans can imagine new possibilities.
AI can assist us, but only humans can inspire others.
Dear friends, we are not preparing for a world without challenges.
We are preparing for a world full of possibilities.
Instead of fearing technology,
Let us understand it.
let us use it wisely and let us grow along with it.
Geetika, you have been very quiet. Why you are not sharing your ideas?
No, really, I was just listening carefully to everyone.
Alright.
But now I would like to share my thoughts too. Don't be afraid. AI can calculate faster than you. AI can create more information than you. AI can even write like you. But AI can't dream like you. AI can't care like you. AI can't stand up after failure like you. Because behind every great invention, behind every powerful technology, there is always a human heart and a human mind. So don't compete with AI. Lead it, guide it, and use it to create a better world. Because the future will not belong to machines. The future will belong to those who think deeply, act wisely, and never stop dreaming.
So, the next time someone says,
AI will take your place.
Smile confidently and say,
AI may be intelligent,
But we are human.
we can dream beyond limits.
We can feel with compassion. We can create ideas that change the world.
Artificial intelligence may assist the future, but human intelligence will always lead it. Thank you, one and all.